Got my net. Let's see if we can catch the cicada. I'm absolutely terrified of these things. Let's see if I can catch it. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, and he got out. Oh. Look at him. They're so weird looking because they've got short little bodies, then long wings. Let's see if I put that. Nope, that doesn't help. Nope. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take this off, but if it jumps out, I'm gonna have an absolute heart attack. Please don't move. Please don't move. Please don't move. Oh, this is. Okay. Okay. There you go. See, they're funny looking things. I'm gonna zoom in from here. Look at it. Look at that short little body and those wings. Oh. Look at it. Tell me that's not weird.